Hi, my name's Dr. Jarratt Pytell. I'm an addiction medicine specialist and clinician investigator at the University of Colorado. We're going to review top 5 abstract mistakes and how to avoid them. Submitting a research abstract is an important milestone in your academic career. Your abstract is often the first impression reviewers will have of your work, and making it clear and well-structured is key to its success. In this video, we'll review the top 5 mistakes that often lead to rejection, and importantly, how to avoid them. Keep in mind the strongest abstracts follow a logical flow, include the background, objective, methods, results, and conclusion. First, submitting an abstract without results. Abstracts must include some results, even if they're preliminary. Submissions without any results will not be accepted. Avoid placeholders like results will be presented at the conference. Instead, include any available data you have and indicate if it's preliminary as appropriate. Second, leaving out key details. Details matter in an abstract. Be specific about the methods. For example, what models or frameworks were used? What kind of analysis did you do? Who was the population you included or excluded? Vague language makes it hard for reviewers to assess the quality of your work. Third, making the scope too broad. Avoid overreaching platitudes and cut to the chase. Keep your background and conclusion focused on your specific study. For example, don't try to summarize the entire opioid epidemic. Rather, focus on the information that is relevant to your research. Small sample sizes are acceptable. Just be cautious not to overgeneralize or overinterpret your findings. Fourth, using too many acronyms or outdated terminology. When you use acronyms, spell out the acronyms on their first use, and importantly, use current, non-stigmatizing language. For example, state people who use drugs, and ensure that you consult the Words Matter guidance developed by ASAM. This is the opportunity also to carefully proofread your submission and check for typos and grammar issues that distract from your message. Using spelling and grammar tools and asking a colleague to review your abstract is important. And finally, not addressing the weaknesses of your study. If your study is niche, explain why it matters to a broader audience. If there are limitations, name them and describe how they affect the interpretation. Reviewers appreciate the transparency. In conclusion, your abstract is the first impression reviewers will have of your work. By avoiding these common mistakes and presenting your findings clearly, you can greatly improve your chances of acceptance. With precision, transparency, and attention to detail, you'll be well prepared for a successful conference presentation.